Yo, what's up, everyone? So, I know you guys know I've been looking for a CG. Well, a four-door, because, I got mine. But you guys know I've been looking for a four-door CG. And I wanted a four-door. It had to be 2000 to '02. And stick shift. So, I didn't care if it had an engine in it, if it was blown up, or a shell, whatever. It just had to be a four-door, stick shift, 2001 only. I didn't want 98 or 99. Because they're different. So, but Chris, you guys know Chris, and if you don't know him, that's Chris. He had the H22 Civic, and the boosted G35. He had the LS Swap El Camino, and he's also, if you guys aren't following his channel, y'all should be following his channel, because he's starting to post a little more, right? He's doing an LS swap and a 350Z on a budget, like crazy budget. If y'all want to see an LS swap done in one of these, what was your budget, like $2,000 or something like that?
Around there.
Yeah, under $3,000, where it's running, driving LS swap in a 350Z, and that's with buying the engine, everything. So I think he has a video on his channel talking about it already. So go check him out. His link will be down in the description. But he also has a CG. So it is in a shell. It will be a shell because the engine in it, not for me. Don't want it. Most of y'all guys or ladies, either might want it or like it because you guys like them, but I'm not a fan of them. It's got H swap in it. He bought this car as a flip car originally, and the person who he got the car from kind of like screwed him over. And this has a bad engine in it because when he got it, didn't have a starter or something in it or something like that. It didn't crank.
The starter didn't work. It was just.
Oh, it had a bad starter in it.
You could hook it up without it being on the car, and it would just barely spin over.
Yeah, but so it needed a starter pretty much, and it's still running a stock F23 ECU.
And the harness wasn't done.
And the harness wasn't connected.
So it had an F23 harness, so I had to rewire it to work with the H22 Dizzy. Because it had the external coil.
Yeah. So he's gonna pull the engine out of this and keep this to go with his collection of F23 or H22s. This would be number 3 or 4.
1, 2, 3.
He's counting. 4.
If you count the window in the block, it'll be 4.
All right. So this would be his 4th H. He actually bought the H series that I had that I was gonna put into the Accord and decided I don't want to do that. So I sold him the block and all that stuff, and I kept the head because I was going to go G23, and then later on I'm like, dude, if you want it, I'll just take it. So he went ahead and got the head too, because he's the H guy that doesn't really own a Honda anymore.
Yeah, that's still.
Possible. But you won't.
Nah.
You won't build an H for this.
I'm more than likely going to get another Civic at some point.
Yeah. So I'll show you guys the car. It's really clean. I mean, for what it is. I mean, it needs paint, but there's no dings, no dents, no rust in it. Interior is beautiful in the car. So it's a good platform. And as you guys know, I'm parting out my car. So the plans with this will be my wheels, my coils, and my swap will drop in this car. NA, not boosted. And then finish building the built engine. And once the built engine's done, either drop the built engine in this or find another CG 4-door and drop my built engine in it, and then have like his and hers. So my girl will have this one, and then I'll have the one with the built engine and boosted and stuff. But this will probably have a couple bolt-ons and tuned. I told her if she wants, I'll sell her my wheels, my coils, and all that, my Honda. Really cheap, obviously, because for what I paid for it. Because that stuff money's got to go into other projects for the channel. But let me stop talking, show you guys the car. This is it right here. 4-door, like I said. Interior is clean. Headliner, beautiful. Cluster, all this in here is good. Most of these are like cracked a lot. This one isn't. It's a 5-speed. See, got 3 pedals. 1, 2, 3. Yay! See, you don't need to watch Dora to learn Spanish. But the car is really clean. Does need paint for sure. But it is a factory 5-speed car. And what's the paint code on this? B92P. That right there is Black Hawk Pearl Black. which is actually the exact same color that my coupe was. Or was, yeah. But that's the original color that my coupe was. So I think that's pretty cool. We're getting rid of the coupe for a 4-door. Because I'm a family man, you know what I'm saying? This has more room than the Cadillac and all that. And you guys know my girl be driving the Cadillac like crazy. And I want my car back. So we'll put my swap and everything in this. She'll be daily driving this. I can get my Caddy back. I got wheels, coils going to go on it, all that, and make it a stance car. So y'all know I'm a stance guy, like what the Accord was before. It's a solid car, especially for the price he's given. I offered him a little more to keep the H in it, but he said, "Oh, hell to the nah." But yeah, I wish I could put my coupe front end on this, but nah, it's all good. We can go ahead and get it painted or something. I want to buff it out if my girl decides she wants it. She's supposed to be out here looking at it. She's inside chilling. This is supposed to be for her, and I'm out here looking at the car. I've retired from working on cars, but I like it. It's definitely a solid car. No rust. We went through the car, and it doesn't have a sunroof, which is a great thing. I hate sunroof cars. I think all sunroof cars should burn. I'm sorry, bro. You got a sunroof. I don't like sunroof cars. They're dope, don't get me wrong. But after a while, when they start leaking, it's just too much of a headache. Yeah. So, silicone shut.
Exactly. That's what the boat sound like the Civic.
I feel like cars with, especially Hondas,
oh, yeah,
when they have sunroofs, they leak faster and they rust quicker.
And it's more weight.
Yeah. So, they rust too fast, you know, in that area. So, on 240s as well. But this is a non-sunroof car. It's an LX model, so it doesn't have the leather interior, which I'm thankful for. But the one downfall to it, it is jump brakes in the rear. But a lot of you guys don't know, I have everything I already bought everything to go disc brakes on my coupe. So I have everything to do the disc brake conversion on this if I wanted to, which I don't care to do any of that. This is for my girl. You know what I mean? We're literally gonna put the wheels off the Accord, the coils on it, and drums. Oh snap! Cruise control. Damn, that's some ancient shit, boy. My car originally had cruise control, so if she wants cruise control, we put cruise control back on it and stuff. But yeah, this is pretty much the car. Do you know how many miles is on the chassis?
We can put a battery in real quick.
Yeah, I mean, it's not a big deal. I was just wondering. This is a CG5. Mine's a CG3, obviously. But yeah, I mean, I'm not leaving the CG family. I know a lot of people, when I posted my car up for part out or for sale and stuff like that, really kind of like didn't attack me, but kind of like got upset and mad about it. I'm not leaving the CG family. I'm a CG guy. All right, there's still gonna be videos on it. Just I gotta think more as a father than a single guy with no kids and stuff like that. And I still want to build a CG chassis. Just the Accord got to the point where it was giving me more trouble and problems than good outcomes. No matter how much money I spent, thousands of dollars between having Chris mess with the car to tune it, taking it to the dyno, towing it to the dyno, getting it tuned, and buying a Honda, buying all the stuff to build the turbo setup on it. Thousands of dollars, and just tuning I got over $1,000, and it's still not tuned, still not running right. To avoid all that, we're gonna pick up a CG that we can still make content on, drop the stock engine that's in the Accord now in this with intake, header, exhaust, and get it tuned with the Honda. What it makes, make it a clean, fun daily with AC and everything. And then later on, find another CG or another chassis and put the built F23 in it and have a fun street car, whatever. And then maybe Chris will have 20 cars in by then, and we can finally have a race that we're supposed to do like a year ago.
G35's ready.
By the time I have another chassis and the engine done, you will probably have 20 cars already, more. Because before I even do that, I'm buying a house. That's my next step. So, but yeah, this is it. So, I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna put a battery in this and then go from there. That battery is completely dead. Didn't even flicker the lights. Didn't even do the Honda beep, beep, beep. Hey, we got power. This thing has, let me get there, 171,000 miles on the chassis. 171. At first I looked at it, it said 17,000, what? But yeah, 173, 370 something or something like that. So, this got a lot less miles than my car. I think when I boosted the Accord the first time 3 years ago, or fuck, when did I have that car? 2016 I bought it.
So
I bought it in 2016. When I bought it, it had 158,000 miles on it.
6 years later.
It's got 228,000. The chassis has 228,000 right now, my Accord. Damn. What is that over there? What car is that over there?
I don't know.
Is that like a Falcon or a Fairlane or something?
No, it's something like a Oldsmobile or something.
Oh. But, yeah. I like this year because of the taillights. It's got the nicer rear taillights and stuff. And I think the 50/50s that they sell for these are beautiful looking. So, I wish my lip kit would fit this, but it only for a coupe.
Oh, that sucks. I was gonna say, a little front lip on this?
Well, my front lip will fit, but the side skirt and the rear bumper won't. So I could put the front lip on, but the side skirts won't fit. Which sucks. Yeah, especially because that's like a really expensive discontinued lip kit. It's from West Wing. That kit was discontinued in like 03 or 04. So, and they were like a $1,300 lip kit. Is that freaking foldable? What's it called? The
Duraflex.
Kind of, yeah. It's like a KBB or whatever it is. No, that's Kelly Blue Book, right?
Yeah.
KDB, whatever that shit's called.
I remember Duraflex. They had videos of running over it with trucks.
Yeah, like this, when you buy it, it's folded up in a box.
Yeah.
You know, and then they say leave it out in the sun, and it's just like, so it's like a rubber almost. But I don't know what my girl thinks because she's inside when she should be looking at this car. So it's her call.
That tint. I don't know if you saw that tint on all 4 windows and the banner.
You're
Like decent.
so the paint is really dull on it. I wonder if we can like buff it out enough. If we can like buff it and wax it or whatever to try and get the shine back. That'd be cool. If not, then we'll probably send it out to get painted. Because this is going to be like the family car, you know. But I still want it to be in the CG family because I'm a CG guy. It's going to have an F-Series in it because I'm an F-Series guy. And I like to be that guy. That
Yes, it has. It's ready for a G23.
No G23. She don't need that. She's too crazy as it is.
The harness is ready for it.
It is.
Wired for the
I'll put my
external
harness in this though. Since it's not cut for it. And then I'll keep this harness for something else.
I know it has spark. I made sure of that.
Yeah.
That's how it works.
But this is going to be like the family CG car, I guess. Because, you know, my daughter will be here in like a week or so, week and a half. And it's too tight in the Cadillac. We need something with more room and everything in it that we can have all the kids. And I want my daily back. I'm tired of not having a nice car to drive. And I just want to slam that thing already, throw it on some wheels, and get it painted or wrapped or something. But yeah, I'm gonna see what my girl thinks about this and I'll update you guys. All right, so she looked at the whole car for like 20 seconds and she's like, I want it. Like a female, they just see something they want it instead of knowing about the car, what goes with it, all this stuff, pricing, any of that. But I guess she's interested in the car. So yeah, when you're planning on pulling the swap out of this?
Probably Wednesday.
All right.
So I got it most of the way done.
Yeah.
So now all I have to do is just undo the mounts and that's pretty much it.
All right. So I'll keep in contact with Chris and go over everything. See when we can get in stuff because I got to get my car apart to have room to put this too in the shop. So probably be the weekend or something. But all right, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Be sure to check out his channel when you post another video. You know.
I don't know. Probably the next couple of days.
So in the next couple days, he should be posting. Oh, there's the Boosted Boy shirt.
Yeah.
he entered the giveaway for the.
That red MR2.
Yeah,
I was hoping so much. I knew it was
He like sent me a screenshot of something that he bought, and I'm like, what is this? And I saw it said boostedboys.com and all that stuff on it. And he's like, I want that MR2 so bad. He's like, I'm gonna buy a shirt. That's it.
Oh, motorcycle exhaust for
Oh
if
yeah.
you want it.
I mean, car's
you're
kind of
getting rid
getting gone now. Yeah.
This is what I cut off for mine when I did it.
Yeah. But yeah, he entered to get the car. But didn't the car go to Florida, or did it stayed in Colorado, son?
Somewhere out of state. It's not
Yeah.
Colorado. I don't remember where.
Yeah, I remember one of the YouTubers of them people. They bought one of a giveaway, and it was like in their town.
Yeah. There's another red
Oh, it
MR2
was
for
the
sale.
Motion Auto.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Motion Auto. For their Telluride.
Yeah.
It was in their city, remember? Or they're in out
If you
there.
check Marketplace right now, there's a red MR2 looks just like the Booster Boys K-Swap, making 850 wheel. 28 grand though.
Yo, boosted G35 for sale, 28 grand.
Right.
But all right, guys. So I'm gonna keep in contact with Chris about it and everything, and I'll update you guys obviously if we decide to get the car or not. What happens? Because there's someone else that has a car that I want to go look at tomorrow. Yeah, but I know he wants to get this done, and that can help you get parts. So
That'll be the oil pan.
the oil pan, and then you can get your turbo for this.
That's already, yeah, that's only $100. That's not big deal.
Oh yeah, he's got another eBay one. But all right, guys, check out his channel, and that's gonna be the end of this video. I'm gonna go home, chill, edit this video, and try and get it posted for you guys tomorrow or tonight. And I got 3 more videos that are gonna be coming out this week. Thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.